Hello viewers, welcome to linuxhelp.com. Now I'm going to explain how to install Drupal CMS application on MX Linux 17. First of all, Drupal is a popular open source content management system which was released under GPL, which is written in PHP language. It used as a backend framework and for the most of the websites and also used for knowledge management system. Initially Drupal CMS application requires observable functionality based on LAMP setup on your system and requires some of the PHP modules. In my case, I have already installed and configured LAMP setup on my system, so I have to proceed the installation of Drupal CMS application on my system. Now I'm going to download a Drupal CMS application package using the wget command. Then hit enter. The package is downloading now. The downloading is completed now. Now we can list out the files, and then here we can see the downloaded package. The downloaded package is a zip file, so we need to unzip the package using the following command. Then hit enter. The unzipping is completed now. Now we can list out the files, and then here we can see the Drupal CMS application directory. Now we have to move this directory into the default HTML directory, and then here I have to mention a destination. Then we have to change into the following directory, and then here we can list out the files, and then here we can see the Drupal CMS application directory, and then here we can change ownership and permission of the Drupal CMS application directory using the following commands. Now I'm going to create a new virtual-host configuration for accessing a Drupal CMS application using the following command. And then here I have to create a new file. Then hit enter. The file is open now, and then here we can proceed the virtual-host configuration. After making the virtual-host configuration, we have to save and quit from the file. Now we have to enable the site accessing for new creation of virtual-host configuration. Then we have to disable the default site access. Now we have to enable the rewrite module. Now we need to restart the Apache service using the following command. After restarting the Apache service, we have to open a browser. The browser is open now, and then here we have to give the following URL. And then here we can mention a local IP address or a domain name, so I have to give my domain name. Then hit enter. The site is open now, and then here we can see the version of Drupal CMS application, and then here we have to choose the language to installing a Drupal CMS application. And then here we have to choose the installation profile. I have to choose standard, and then here we have to configure the database detail. In my case, I have already created the database and database username, and also give the privileges to access the Drupal CMS application database. So here I have to give my detail. After configuring the detail, we have to click save. Now we can see the installation of Drupal CMS application. The installation is completed now. The site is loading now. The site is open now. And then here we have to configure the site information and admin user credential. And then here we have to choose the country. I have to choose India. And then here we have to choose the time zone. I have to choose Kolkata. After configuring the detail, we have to click save. The site is open now. Now we are in admin control panel of Drupal CMS application. And then here we can see the admin user profile. And then here we can see the major configuration modules. And then here we can see the site name. In this way too, you can install a Drupal CMS application on MX Linux 17. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe our channel Linuxhelp. If you want further more videos, please visit www.linuxhelp.com. If you have any queries, please mail to support@linuxhelp.com.